Welcome to this video. I had some technical problems here. Okay, let's see. Now we can play, but I lost half a minute. Alright, player is 2300 rated. Yeah, Queen Gambit declined. The orthodox variation. I play Bishop G5 here. So we switch to the exchange variation, and here I like to play Bishop D3. Okay, Bishop G4. I don't mind taking if he takes here. Let's provoke him a bit. It's okay for me if he takes. Then the G file is open, and it's not possible for him to castle short that easy, I guess. And I can also push for E4. When he takes back, I can take back with the E pawn. This looks quite promising, I have to say. B5, is it? Yeah, but okay, let's push for E4. Yeah, the square F4 is weak. This is true. If I play Bishop G3, he might even play maybe Bishop H4. The knight looks a bit strange here on H5, however. Okay, I need to castle long as fast as possible. Bishop G5, I might play Knight E2 and F4. So my king is not safe anymore on the king side. Yeah, as expected. But here I just protect the bishop, and I think this should be quite okay for me now. I wonder why he did this, because I thought taking with the knight is better. Okay, the pawn on D4 is hanging as well. I wonder if I play E5, he takes here, Bishop E2. Isn't the knight hanging? He can play Queen E3, very annoying. Okay, in this case we just play Queen F2 to protect both these pawns. And now I threaten to play E5. And if he takes here, I take back with the pawn, and I have a really nice center, and I don't mind exchanging queens and losing the right to castle. I mean, there are not that many pieces left to attack my king. And if he doesn't take, I think I play I'll push for E5. Yeah, let's do this. Queen E6 is attacking my pawn here. Okay, but he doesn't even try this. I think it didn't work anyway. Okay, let's castle. He will play C5, but I then push for F4. And this knight looks a bit silly here on the room of the board. Still threatening something like let's see. I think I just play Rook H1 here. And the idea is F4 and G4, or F4 and F5. Everything is quite nice here. Yeah. So protecting all these important squares. Okay, is it better to put the bishop directly to b1? I mean, he's quick b5, b4, b3. Ah, nah, come on. It's I think it's good enough here. And now g4 is a threat. He needs to do something about this. Square is covered. Yeah. So now he has his square. So my idea is also to push for f5. I think I'm much quicker than he is on the queen side. So g4. Should I have played g4 directly? Okay. Here I can also try to focus a bit on this square. Now g4. Rook g1. And then maybe try to open up here the kingside position with h4 and h5. The good thing is that the queen is also looking here at the third rank. What's not good is that I just have 1 minute left. So this is something that scares me a bit. So the pawn on h6 is attacked. And now I want to play queen h3 and f5. What does he want to do now? He cannot play. Can he? This looks very, very dangerous for him. So I'm threatening to take on g6 now. What about f5? Yeah, this looks really like a killing move. I open up the whole king side. The knight on g7 is... maybe I can even sacrifice the queen here after he takes. Takes. Oh no. Let's don't do such fancy things. Could I have played better here? Maybe. So rook h7 is the idea, and then to play f6. Knight f4 coming, and then e6, f6, sorry. Where do I put my knight to? No, it's just you know, like a time, just moving pieces around again. I don't like this. Why didn't I play bishop e3, attacking here the pawn? Okay, I take the pawn here, the knight here. And now I can also pick up the rook here. Okay. Yeah, this was not... I didn't have that much time to come to talk about the position at the end. And here, yeah, I think this is just the one position, but I wonder, let's see, the whole game, if you walk through it, one key moment was this position. I mean, he exchanged his bishop against my knight, and he destroyed my pawn structure, so it was not safe for me to castle short anymore. But on the other hand, what does he want to do with his king? So it was not good for him to castle short as well. So and what I didn't understand is the move bishop h4. I thought, I mean, this knight is not very well placed here on h5 anyway, and after taking here, he has a bishop, an opposite colored bishop, and this bishop is a good bishop because all the pawns here are on white squares, and yeah, I don't have the open g-file, so it would be also possible for him to castle short. After all these moves here, I think my position is very healthy. Yeah, and I'm just too quick here, but I mean, this was stupid. If I look at the position now, why didn't I just play g4 here directly? I lost a lot of time after f5 for yeah, breaking through here as well. So g4 is much better. Then he needs to play knight g7, and then I can push for f4 and f5. If he plays then f5, I can directly take with the pawn, open up the g-file, which is really deadly for him. So but I mean, this position also looks extremely good. Is there something better? Yeah, maybe. But you know, these two pawns are both without any pawns in front of them, so they are extremely strong, and I think there is no way that black can keep this position. So yeah, open up files for your rooks on the wing where if the king's castle opposite direction, you need to open up the lines, and here you can see how strong the rooks of me are, and then you have good attacking chances, where on the other side black was just a bit too slow. If there was a pawn already on b4 and the rooks here behind, there might have been some chances, but this way it didn't work. Thanks for watching.